It's agreed upon. He's out of there at day's end. Sige. He's out of there. So, kukunin si he sa word na there. Game. T-R-E. At day's end. End is a selection indicator. Ang deletion is out of. It's agreed upon. Treaty. So, paano yung last letters? Okay, at, tapos days, yung Y. Okay, check. Yay! So, ilang araw ng 1 par ang mga clues na sinosolve natin. So, panigurado malaking balik nito. Bye!